What's up, everybody? Average Tech Guy here, and today we're going to be looking at the X10 Pro. It's a smart TV box that actually broadcasts in 4K. We're going to get it open, we're going to get it connected, and we're going to see what we think about it. Let's check it out. So here we go. Taking this out of the box, X10 Pro. This is a 4K smart TV box. Works on Android. You're gonna be able to pick one of these up on the Banggood website. I'm gonna leave a link below so that you can get to that. Let's go ahead and get everything out of the box though. Okay, so out of the box, this is exactly what you get. You get the user's manual as usual. You get a remote. Now on the remote, you get a power on and off. You get a home. It looks like you get a menu. You get a controller wheel right here with the select button on the inside. You get a back button, volume up and down, and looks like you have mouse control right here. It's gonna take 2 AAA batteries. See that right there. You get an HDMI cable. You get the actual X10 Pro box itself. Go ahead and take that plastic off. Let's talk about this. You get USB slots, 2 of those over here. You get a micro SD card slot right here to store things on. Over here, you get optical output, audio video, or 3.5mm headphone jack, Ethernet support, HDMI, and you get a power plug right here, or a DC in. Nothing on this side. On the bottom, you get a little cooling vent, and you get some grips on each corner. And this is your power cord. So let me go ahead and get it plugged in, get it turned on, and we're going to see what it looks like on the screen. All right, guys, so I actually got this connected. It takes a little while. You got to put in your Google Play information. You got to sign in. You got to do all that stuff. But once you get it all done, this is what you get. This is the screen you're going to be looking at. Now, the box itself is infrared sensing. So you're going to have to point this directly at the box. It has an infrared sensor on the front of the box. You actually have a LED clock right there as well. It's going to give you the time. You have to actually set it up for whatever time zone you're in. I don't have anything plugged into it. I just want to give you a quick all-around tutorial and run through of the system settings and things of that nature. Anytime you download anything to this box, you can add thumb drives, you can add SD cards, whatever you need to do. Well, actually micro SD cards, but you can upgrade your memory by putting things like that in. Google Play is right there. Once you get into Google Play, you can access any of your movies, your music, your apps. I actually have a mouse plugged into it. You click on anything, it just pops up. It's good to go. Change through the categories, find your movies, your things, anything that you have, you can use that. Now, I'm going to go back home, and you actually have web browsing on here. Everything's good. You actually have Bluetooth settings. If you go into your setting menu, you go down to add accessories, so you can add wireless keyboards, controllers, anything that you need. So on this device, you have an actual 32 gigabytes of storage directly built into this device. You can add USB storage through thumb drives. You can have micro SD card slot available, so you can add whatever you need to on this device. So this is just going to be an all-around good thing to have, just because you're going to be able to download multiple programs. You're going to be able to download video games. You're going to be able to download tons of things and cut the cable. You can make this your TV. You can download live TV apps. You can download movie apps. Anything that you want to do, make any of your TVs into a smart TV and get that 4K quality. So you don't have to go out and buy one of those $1,000 4K TVs. Get you a decent 4K TV, grab you one of these Android boxes, and let it ride. So I'll be sure to leave a link below to this. I've shown you the features. I've shown you how you can actually access your Google Play. You actually have, when you download apps, you have a My App section, and you have live web browsing right there. And it is in 4K in high definition. So if you do check this out, be sure and drop me a comment. Let me know how you like it. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.